Hi, these both are AC capacitor, 440 volt AC, 10 microfarad AC capacitor. Okay, this one is bad, this one is bad capacitor, and this one is good capacitor. I'll show you how to check the AC capacitor. Put the multimeter in capacitance range. I put my multimeter in 20 mF range. Okay, then see the bad capacitor. See the bad capacitor. It is not showing proper reading, only like this. Okay, then there is no polarity. Okay, there is no polarity. See, now I will show you the good capacitor. See, 9.84 microfarad, so that is 10 microfarad. If it is good, it will show like this.